Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for being here. Wanted to give you an update on the truck. A lot of projects have happened to it and I have videos on most of those. Link will be in the description below for you guys. I'll show you everything I've been up to, but I just kind of wanted to put it all together as a whole and show you what I've done to the truck so far. Something I've done recently you guys don't know about. I put these Cooper all-terrain tires on here. Pretty aggressive all-terrain tire. That way we still get good highway mileage, somewhat towing a trailer, and when we go hunting we're not afraid to drive off-road a little bit, because the tires before were complete garbage. Let me show you what those look like. Okay guys, we're getting rid of the crappy tires, but we got some new Discover AT3s Cooper tires, all terrain, 10 ply. It's gonna give us some better traction and we're gonna be able to go off-road a little bit better when we're hunting. Well, yeah, these tires are done for. Okay, up next we installed these infab Nerf bars. Pros and cons that I like about them is the pro is this step right here. The con is, I mentioned it in my video, but I don't like the size of this step right here. Getting in, it's okay, but getting out, when you're trying to reach down and step for it, it's not big enough. It's just not there for you to step on, so that kind of sucks. Inside, we have a Mud River mat set up for the dogs, and we put it over the front of the seats so they don't jump up into the front and they just stay back here. And then we have a fitted sheet that my mom actually helped me with. We sewed this and it just kind of fits around the seat and provides more of a protector from the dogs when they're back here, because that's what we mainly use this for. It fits 3 medium-sized rough toughs back here, which is awesome. If we had smaller ones we could fit in even more. The well-behaved trained dogs, we usually put them at bed back here and they get to hang out on road trips and stuff, so they have plenty of room. Another item we have, which you can't really see very well, is this WeatherTech floor mat. So I've been struggling pretty bad with the truck and how dirty it gets. Let me clean this up some. It's actually really dirty right now. Alright, there's the WeatherTech in the front. These are lifesavers, guys. If you don't have these for your truck, I'd highly recommend getting them. If you get outdoors a lot and you're real muddy. Right now we have the truck somewhat clean, but as you can see, it really catches all the mud right here and provides a lot of protection. Another item is the Husky mud flaps. I was worried about this one rattling. It touches the bar, but that hasn't been an issue, and so far it's worked really well. It's protecting the underside of the paint right there, and plus it doesn't throw so much all over the trailer, so that's good. Another item is we put airbags in. Those of you that tow, greatest thing to add to your truck ever. You definitely want that. Helps with the squat, helps with the ride. I'm really glad we ended up putting those airbags on there, because it was a game changer when towing a fifth wheel. So right here is our fifth wheel ball and chain hookups. We don't have them in right now, but they go right here. And this guy's I'm pretty impressed with it, pretty happy with it. Pretty easy to install and take out of the bed when you need to, especially like for what we have right now. We have this in what I like to call hunting mode. So I'm just really surprised an expensive truck would not have a dampening tailgate. But there is an easy fix for this. It's about $30-some, depending on where you buy it from. And it should turn this into a dampening tailgate. We bought 3 Mud River medium-size crate covers, and those cover the dog crates, and we put the hunting dogs back there because they're all dirty, and keeps them nice and warm. We can fit 3 of those medium-sized crates across there. The beauty of how we built the truck bed deck is that it can also be converted just to hold these 3 crates, so that's really nice. Let me show you a little bit of the truck bed deck build. So yeah, that truck bed deck, covers all that, gives us extra storage, and allows us to have 6 crates back here, which is really nice when, you don't have the trailer going. And we just have those strapped down right there, and, they're not going anywhere. Those are pretty nice. The other item is for bumper towing. This is our B&W trailer hitch. It's got 3 different balls. We use it to used to have a bumper pull horse trailer that we towed with it, but we ended up selling that. But I still got the boat, and we occasionally tow bumper pull trailers to haul stuff. So that is a great hitch. One thing I'd probably like to get is some kind of step that installs on it. This truck bed is super high, so short people kind of have problems with it. And I also kind of want to get a flip down step that goes right here to help get in and out, because we are in and out of that bed a lot. So here's the other side: tires, Nerf bars, mud flaps. This side's a lot dirtier, driver's side, and those WeatherTech mats. I also like Husky liners. I got nothing against them. If you guys want Husky, those are nice too. This one might be kind of stupid, but I keep clothes in the cubby right there. And the reason behind that is when we fill up for diesel, any kind of diesel owner knows that when you fill that up, those pumps are messy. There's usually diesel all over the handles, so it creates quite the mess. So it's nice to have those gloves in there. That way you don't have to spend the rest of your drive smelling like diesel all over your hands. So I also updated these caps. The stock Ram caps, they're just garbage. They're little plastic caps that would blow away in the wind. So these were like, I don't know, 10 bucks, but they provide a tight seal, and they're magnetic. So I usually like to stick it right there when I'm filling up. They're magnetic, so they don't really go anywhere, which is nice. And this Def one, really locks in there, locks and screws, so provides way better of a seal than the stock Ram caps that came with that, which were just awful. We also got this cheap antenna. I think I've mentioned in a video before that it gets the job done. It kind of sucks. It only costs like 10 bucks. I might upgrade that someday, but I'm not worried about it. I don't listen to the radio that much. I'm usually plugged into my phone or Bluetooth or whatever anyway, so The nice thing about it is we can get in the garage without the antenna getting knocked off on it, so that's pretty good. So one thing we had to do was cut the bar. It extended like way past at that curb right there and kept going. And we had to cut that down so it would fit in here. But other than that, she barely fits. The only thing is that the satellite antenna rubs right here. That's about it. So you gotta take that really slow and then you can get it in the garage. We don't pull it in all the time, but there is storms on the way, so that's why we're pulling it in right now. Truck's kind of dirty right now. It's winter time, but just wanted to fill you guys in, give you a quick little update of what's been up with the truck lately. And we're getting ready to go to a field trial at the end of January, so stay tuned for that. We'll be taking the horse trailer and whatnot and competing down in Oklahoma, so stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're enjoying the Ram build, please give me a like button. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next Redbeard Outdoors episode. Remember, get outdoors and keep trucking. I'll see you guys on the next one.